Tangshan horo Sheikh hasina by Malaika National Security Advisor Ajit Doval.abo ne ulona kabangma zora romai achuglaimwng khwlai New Delhi wo Kwrak sale phung bo joto bodol no loge tiwe achuglaimwng khwlai montri bokhorok Narendra Modi Bangladesh no tiwe tamo wansok Bharat avono tiwe Parliament of Statement rwkha Foreign Minister S joysankar bote shaklaika kodugma sal romai no Bharate Bangladesh ne relationship ka hamno tongmani joto hafang ni zora wo no a relationship ro ka hamno tongmani bote shaklaika 2024 bishiwo Bangladesh je chongmari angkha azorani simino kaisa hafar tongflamani nukjaka S joysankar te bisaka laithanai June talni simi chengmani student rogni kothumlaimang jora bai baksa keno patimong tebu kotor angmani rogu nukjaka sarkari tongthai nog rogo choprop laika baste rail ni shep rogo deramong rogo kalaimani nukjaka avorok jolai tal rogo no nukjak baika kendriya montri te bisaka jeng hafarna tongkhajang khlainani waire waino kok bisaka kuchuk dorban rogni bokhaktei gosimang ramani ulobo khano hafar tongkhajang angmani nukjaklia parliament avota haikhani shaklaika S joysankar kothumlaimang khlaine rone kaisa no sanmung tongmani Sheikh hasina no achuglai yakarnani sanmung borone bokhaktei laithanai 4 August halmaribo hafarte bukerma songsa angmani nukjaka 5 August curfew rajak phano Dhaka 5 shokpaika kothumlaimang khlaine ro avoni ulona hasina achuglai yakarnani nangkha dakti kheno 12 5 shokpaika bo ashalne sanja jorabo delu 5 shokpaika Sheikh hasina Bangladesh tongnai Bharatiya rock by contact khwlai khani shaka Foreign Minister S joysankar.
The situation in Bangladesh, sir, is still evolving. The Army Chief, General Wakar-uz-Zaman, addressed the nation on 5th August. He spoke about assuming responsibility and constituting an interim government. We are in close and continuous touch with the Indian community in Bangladesh through our diplomatic missions. There are an estimated 19,000 Indian nationals there, of which about 9,000 are students. The bulk of the students, however, have already returned to India in the month of July on the advice of the High Commission. In terms of our diplomatic presence, in addition to the High Commission in Dhaka, we have assistant High Commissions in Chittagong, Rajshahi, Khulna and Sylhet. It is our expectation that the host government will provide the required security protection for these establishments. We look forward to their normal functioning once the situation stabilizes. Chairman, sir, we are also monitoring the situation with regard to the status of minorities. There are reports of initiatives by various groups and organizations to ensure their protection and well-being. We welcome that, but will naturally remain deeply concerned till law and order is visibly restored. Our border guarding forces have also been instructed to be exceptionally alert in view of this complex situation. In the last 24 hours, we have also been in regular touch with the authorities in Dhaka. This is the situation as of now. I seek the understanding and support of the House in regard to sensitive issues regarding an important neighbor on which there has always been strong national consensus.
Bureau Report, bokhorok.